Got a 544 in here. We got a axle seal that is leaking pretty good. I gotta think this should work. That sucker is plumb full. Why wouldn't you want them full? Just had to go up higher is all. Swinging out far enough, but not too far. Nice. Somebody will come in and pick that stuff up that I'm throwing around. Probably. Yuck. Yep. I wonder if there's supposed to be an O-ring on that. I'm sure there is. I did find an O-ring. I do not know what size it is or if it will even work here, so. There we go.